How are you guys? This is Morris once again. Yeah. I just remembered you guys. You can call me Morris. You can call me at any terms. You can call me Kenyan Hexican. Like I don't know. I'm representing myself in very many names out there. I'm also the founder of just a small privilege of DMS Crypto Hub. So we have this hub where we do analysis of assets, instruments, and all this. Yeah, I think it's very paramount important I share that in this video because yeah, we are doing so much here in Kenya, here in Africa, learning about these assets and plus many more. Just tracking the prices, doing a lot of things. Yeah, so welcome to that. Welcome to our Telegram. We have a Telegram group where we discuss these assets and give um, news and information on what is happening. So, yeah, welcome very much to this channel. Make sure you subscribe. So, to on this video, we're looking at Pulsex. Yeah, you can look at another video that you have done on Pulse and also like analyzing these prices real time on how they are performing right now. And we have very big news right now. We have Pulsex, ProveX. Why am I saying Pulsex? Yeah, okay. It's because I'm talking about Pulsex right now, and this is the chart of Pulsex. But then we have some big news of ProveX that it is launched. It is in beta mode right now. It is like people are testing it. Yeah, we are going to look at in another video somewhere here. Just juggle around, you'll see it. So yeah, fast forward. Now this is Pulsex. Pulsex. This is the richest DEX on Pulse chain. Like DEX means a decentralized exchange. DEX. Yeah. So yeah, rich DEX means this is the most liquid. It is a lot of liquidity in this decentralized application. Yeah, and it is a token and a Pulse chain. Yeah, and it is really like it is interesting. That is where you go and swap your Pulse to Hex, your Hex to meme coin, your Pulse to any other coin that is under the Pulse chain network. So it is crazy. It's crazy. Like it is crazy how it works. It has been working for more than 1,000 days. Yeah, since it was launched. Yeah, it is code, so it's you and the code. You do not need any. It can like never be switched off. Anyone can use it. You just need a laptop or a phone, and then you will be able to connect with your wallet and you and yeah, interact with the code. Yeah, this is just for information purposes only. Yeah, you have to do your own research and do your own due diligence before you invest or do any of this stuff. Yeah, so that is a very like a strong disclaimer. Yeah, so these assets, this is how it is trading now. This is the price chart of Pulsex. Okay, and I think now you understand what it is before even we get into it so much. This is how it has been trading since it was launched. You can see this first pump and how it has been consolidating up to this time. Like it hasn't broken this resistance, the all-time price it has ever been, and the all-time price low it has ever been. It hasn't broken it, so it is playing around. It is ranging in this like the wedge like thing that you are seeing it. Yeah, so this is this price. Of course, the green candlestick represent bullish momentum, buying momentum. Uh, Bullish means like the way a bull fights. It fetches you from below and then it goes up, and then that is to represent price moves from down up. Yeah, that is bullish momentum, bullish trend. and it is represented by the green candles here, and the red candles mean bearish trend, like the bears. If a bear is attacking it, it will be like it will be like bringing you down, like scratching you down. So that's how a bear fights you, and this is how the bears are represented by the red candlestick. Of course, this means selling momentum. There's a lot of selling momentum, or there's a lot of liquidity moving from here and there, and it is represented by the red candles. So each candlestick here represents price performance each week. Each, like 1 week price gets printed in each candle here, and then that is a representation of that price that week. Yeah, and like last week we can see it was a bit bullish. Last week, but one it was a bit bearish. Actually, the reds have taken it. The reds have taken them over the market, and that's how the price is performing right now. Okay, so yeah, this is the price of Pulsex. We have connected this first peak and the second lower peak here, and once you connect those two, you get to see good this good resistance. Of course, there are very many ways of trading this. We can even switch it to the line candle, and you can adjust this like there. This is another trick that I'm showing you guys. Make sure to subscribe so that actually you support. You show that you pay fees for these. Yeah. So let me just connect to this one. This second most high. Yeah, so we have this high peak. Of course, we couldn't have used this one because it's quite low. It was invalidated by this one, and now this one, we have picked this one as our second one, and you can see how price has obeyed. Now the other time it reached at this place, it is more invalidated it, and it was like a fake out, and then price has been low. So this is another way like of just looking at this and having another perspective. Okay, so back to, and when you switch, all right, now when you switch to this, price chart, you are able to see like those were that is where the price closed at. Yeah, and the second place that you are looking was this place, and now the third here. So you are even able to account for this one, like real time. Every price, whenever price reached at this zone here, now this becomes a zone. Yeah, once price reached at that zone, it reacted. So means that this is like a strong this is a strong resistance zone. So once if price didn't break past it, it means that it still stands that the price is bearish. So what are we anticipating for price to break past this resistance zone here? Did I not capture that? Like it invalidated this zone and maybe retest on it, and then yeah, we are going to see the market like continue moving up, like to a point where now um it will be breaking past this resistance zone here. So this blue resistance zone here represents like the all-time resistance zone, all-time high, the point price reached at. Okay, and right now you can see, yeah, price has been actually it has never reached almost the area. The area it is reached back in July 2023 after it just launched and it was crashing down, you see, and around September 2023, actually, even if it has ever gone low, it hasn't like tested this zone again, where we are seeing now the red line. The current price of Pulsex right now 0.509529. Yeah, I remember in another video it said it was 0.05090. So it's up. It's quite like there's a good pump that is happening. So This is the price right now, of course, where it is trading at, and we need that cash. We need People will need to see this price going up. We have ProveX that is launching. Like this is like mad news. We are going to see probably price retest all this zone, and this is like an opportunity. Any price above this point, you will always be in profit, whether you're trading. Yeah, just hold, buy and hold these assets. Yeah, yeah, that is not financial advice. I'll repeat again. Yeah, so yeah, maybe let me zoom in again. Here we're just looking at the right. At I don't want to make it complicated with lots of lines and all that. So this is just a clean chart with just trend lines and horizontal lines. Yeah. So I've told you how you just draw them. You draw them like this. Okay. That was the highest point again. Yeah. You remember this? This is the weekly trend line. Yeah. And now we have now this one. Maybe we can change it to yellow. And yeah, you can be able to see how price obey this point and the third one, and when it was nearing that, it hasn't like broken it. Yeah, you can just keep on adjusting it. Like there was a time I could draw like this. Right now you have to adjust just to see the last point it tapped. Now whenever price reaches at that point, we are able to confirm that uh that signal. Yeah, and to say that price is breaking off a very strong resistance zone, and now we are anticipating for price now, maybe now to do another milestone. Okay, so these are small steps that we are seeing right now, small improvements of price that we are seeing now. Yeah, so yeah, thank you very much. Let's wait and see how price is going to react at those zones. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.